10 of the world's best windsurfers from 8 countries completed a demanding competition in Kerry, Ireland.
We are here in Ireland for the Red Bull Storm Chase after about a year of waiting with some of the 10 best riders in the world. And we have 100 kilometers wind, we have a cooking sea. Yeah, the special thing about the Red Bull Storm Chase is that we are waiting for the storm of the year with more than 100 kilometers wind. As soon as that pops up somewhere in the world, we're all gonna go with the 10 riders and sail the storm.
The first mission of the chase in Ireland is looking to be the most challenging windsurf contest of all time. Despite recorded storm force gusts of up to 74 knots, 137 kilometers per hour, and fierce 20-foot waves, after possibly the most radical day in windsurfing history, the top 6 surfers moved on to the second mission.
"70 knots. I just don't know if it's possible. It's just unbelievable amount of force out there right now."
Still on the mission are Victor Fernandez, Thomas Traversa, Julian Taboulé, Robbie Swift, Marcilio Brown, and Danny Bruch, who showed the best overall impression, displaying superior wave selection and super high aerials.
The wind is really gusty. Can go f***ing high, I think. Danny, oh!
I think everyone sailed out of their skin. We saw some of the most radical windsurfing I've ever seen. We're now down to 6 from 10 riders, but we're really looking forward to the next mission of the Red Bull Storm Chase, so stay tuned and see where we go.
And we fly directly there, mate.
This is the second mission of the Red Bull Storm Chase. Forecast looks pretty epic, really big waves and really strong winds. It's been a very long journey for all of us, and because this is in the other part of the world. I came all the way from Spain to Tasmania.
So here we are on the edge of the planet, Tasmania. 6 guys left, we're going to knock them down to 4, and we've got a boiling sea. So we're looking at 8-meter swell coming and 50, 60, maybe more knots of wind.
That is the Tasmanian Devil playing with the windsurfers, who threw themselves straight into the waters and twisted spins, flips, and other dangerous maneuvers on the most incredible day of windsurfing ever seen.
Here in Tasmania ended up with some of the best wave sailing I've ever seen today for everyone, and especially with Thomas Traversa, who won the second mission as well as the first one. So I'm looking forward to see the top 4 guys now. It's Leon Jamer, Danny Bruch, Rosinho and Thomas Traversa in the final and third mission.
We're also curious to see if they survive the next one. Stay tuned to Rebel TV.